Hi, I'm Maggie Neola, registered dietitian at the Physicians Committee. And today I would like to share with you what I eat in a day during quarantine. To start off, I really like to have a filling breakfast and bonus points if it has a vegetable in it. So I took a green smoothie and combined it with the concept of overnight oats. What you do is you take some type of leafy green, spinach works really well. In addition to a non-dairy milk, I use oat milk, plus some frozen fruit. Blueberries work well. So you go ahead and blend that into a nice smoothie and pour it over a fantastic pantry staple, old-fashioned overnight oats. You want to do this the night before so that it's ready the next morning. And this is a great boost of both vitamin C and vitamin E, which support your immune system. For lunch, I like to make a black bean chili over a baked potato. This meal can come together really quickly. All you have to do is grab a potato of your choice and you microwave that or bake it. Cut it in half, and when that's done, go ahead and put a bed of leafy greens on top, such as arugula. Then you want to put your chili on top, and this chili comes together really easily. If you go ahead and take a can of low sodium black beans, in addition to a bag of frozen corn and a jar of your favorite salsa, and heat that up on the stove top, after about 5 or 10 minutes, you can put that over your potato and it's delicious. This meal has a nice dose of zinc and vitamin A, which are also good for your immune system. For dinner, I like to spend a little bit more time putting together a meal because I enjoy cooking. So I went with the stir fry, which is really versatile, colorful, and a good dose of probiotics because it contains tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soybean, but if you don't have it, you can use something like tofu instead. So you want to marinate that tempeh or the tofu in ginger, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some fresh garlic for about 20 minutes. Once that's done, you can go ahead and saute it. You're also going to want to saute some mushrooms with garlic. Any vegetables that you have on hand work really well. This meal particularly includes the mushrooms, in addition to red bell pepper, which I kept raw because that's what I prefer, and some fresh cilantro, which I had left over from lunch. So it made it really easy to put this together. I chose to pair it with brown rice, but if you have quinoa, you could do that instead, or another whole grain. And then I finished it off with some beautiful lemon zest as well for a pop of flavor and color. This meal is high in fiber, probiotics, and vitamin C, all of which help your immune system. Last but not least, I really like to include something sweet throughout my day, but I don't want to include a ton of added sugars because those aren't going to help my immune system. So instead, I like to lean towards a fruit-based dessert. In this case, I had a lot of strawberries and apples that were going bad, so I decided to make some applesauce with them. All you do is you cut up your strawberries and apples, put them in a pot with a little bit of water and cinnamon, and simmer it for about 10 minutes or until they're soft. Once they're soft, you can go ahead and blend that up and it becomes an applesauce. I like to top it with some pecans and lemon zest for a nice dose of vitamin E and vitamin C, which boosts your immune system as well. So the takeaway is you want to be able to plan your meal so that they include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes every day. But keep in mind that when you go to the grocery store, you may not find all the ingredients that you want, and that's your opportunity to be creative and flexible. And know that by doing this, you're giving your body plenty of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are going to help boost your immune system and your overall health, which is a great thing to do right now.